In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all liked songs on Spotify. So if you're someone who uses Spotify a lot, you can go ahead and go into Spotify and go to where, basically your library. And everyone will have a liked songs playlist. It depends if you add songs on there, but you can go ahead and filter through and really put songs into a liked song playlist. So if you're in your liked songs, I'm just going to click here, and I just have a bunch of random songs in here. But to delete one of the songs from your Spotify liked playlist, you can just go ahead to the song and click the three dots at the very far end on the right side, and just choose remove from this playlist. Now, unfortunately, Spotify won't allow you to delete them all at the same time, so you'll have to go through and physically remove them one by one. So it's going to take a little bit of time if you have a lot of songs in there that you want to get rid of, but that is how you would go about deleting or removing the liked songs on your liked songs playlist on Spotify. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.